5 ZZ ball bearing parts you never knew existed. Welcome back to Ship's Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into the world of ball bearings. Specifically, the famous Z ball bearings. Let's break them down, part by part, explore their roles, and learn about the materials used. Let's roll. What are ZZ ball bearings? ZZ ball bearings are small but mighty mechanical parts that reduce friction between moving components. They're everywhere. Inside cars, fans, machines, and even your skateboard. Their ZZ refers to the metal shields on both sides of the bearing that protect it from dirt and debris. Now, let's look inside and see what makes them so special. Parts of a ZZ ball bearing. ZZ shields. These are thin metal covers that sit on both sides of the bearing. Their job is simple but important. They keep dust and dirt out while holding in the lubricant. This extends the life of the bearing and reduces maintenance. Made of steel, these shields are built to be lightweight and durable. Outer ring. The outer ring is the round, strong shell that holds everything together. It's what fits into the machine housing. The material? Usually, it's high-carbon chromium steel. It is a tough and wear-resistant metal that handles heavy loads and lasts a long time. Inner ring. This is the smaller circle at the center of the bearing, and it fits onto the shaft. Like the outer ring, it's made of the same durable steel, designed to withstand constant rotation and pressure. Balls. Now, the stars of the show. The balls. These tiny, perfectly round balls are what reduce friction. They roll smoothly between the inner and outer rings, allowing the parts to spin easily. They're usually made of hardened steel for strength and precision, though ceramic balls are sometimes used for lighter weight and high-speed applications. Finally, the cage or retainer. The cage is like the organizer of the bearing. It keeps the balls evenly spaced and prevents them from bumping into each other. It's typically made of metal or tough plastic. The choice of material depends on the speed and temperature the bearing will face. Why are these materials important? The materials used in ZZ ball bearings are carefully chosen to handle high speeds, heavy loads, and constant motion. Steel is strong and resists wear, while plastic cages reduce noise and are great for low-friction movement. Some high-tech bearings use ceramic for even less weight and more speed. Each material is designed to make the bearing last longer and perform better. So, there you have it. ZZ ball bearings are an incredible combination of simple parts working together to reduce friction and make machines more efficient. Every piece plays an important role, from the tough outer and inner rings to the smooth rolling balls, organized by the cage and protected by those ZZ shields. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.